In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Milanote. First, open your browser and head to Milanote. If you're new, create an account. If you already have one, log in. You'll land on a clean dashboard that makes it easy to start fresh. To begin, create a new board by selecting New Board. You can start with a blank board or pick a template such as brainstorming or a mood board. Think of a board as your workspace or canvas, an open, flexible place to collect ideas, references, and plans. Next, let's add content to your board. For quick thoughts and outlines, choose Add Note and start typing your ideas, plans, or content snippets. Notes are great for headlines, tasks, or meeting takeaways. For visuals, drag and drop images straight onto the board or click Upload Image. Use images to build a mood, gather inspiration, or show examples. To save a web page or resource, just paste a link. Milanote will automatically generate a visual preview so you can recognize it at a glance. And when you need supporting materials, upload files like PDFs, documents, or videos so everything for your project lives in one place. Now organize your board. Drag items anywhere for a freeform layout that mirrors how you think. When you're ready for structure, create columns to categorize work, such as ideas, drafts, and final. Group related items together to keep context clear and reduce clutter. It works like a visual whiteboard, so arranging space is part of the creative and planning process. Templates are a real time saver. Click Templates and choose from options like content planning, a social media calendar, project planning, or mood boards. Templates provide a solid starting point with sections and prompts you can customize, helping you move faster while keeping things consistent. As your board grows, connect ideas. Draw connections between items to map relationships, outline workflows, or show dependencies. These lightweight links help turn scattered thoughts into a clear system, which is perfect for brainstorming, storyboarding, or planning sequences. Milanote also shines when you collaborate. Click Share, invite your teammates, and work together in real time. You'll see updates as they happen, add comments for feedback, and keep discussions tied to the exact item they reference, so nothing gets lost in long message threads. When you're ready to share or present, export or present your board. Export selected areas or the entire board as a PDF or image for reports, handouts, or client reviews, or switch to presentation mode to walk people through your ideas cleanly and confidently right from the board. That's it. Create a board, add content, organize, use templates, connect ideas, collaborate, and share your work. Try it now and build your first Milanote board.